Okay, so we can also use the length function with our programs as well. So let's create another program, and we'll call it string length demo.py, and I'll just grab a string here that we created. Yeah, let's grab this one. Title equals hello world. And let's say we want to know how many letters were in there. Well, we could just say num letters, create a variable, and we'll say let that equal len of title. So the len function, we used it with lists and tuples. It works also with strings. It's a common sequence operation. And then let's just say title, and we'll say has num letters in it, and let's give that a try and see what happens. And hello world has 13 letters in it. Does that make sense? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So remember, we also include the space. A space is also considered a character by the program, by Python. So yes, hello world has 13 characters in it. So that's just using the len function. Now let's take a look at our string indexing demo. And we were trying to center, let's see, was this it? No, it was our multiply strings demo. We were trying to center hello world. Well, I'm going to take this and see if we can make it a little better. Actually, I just need this part right here. So I'm going to copy that and put it in our len demo. And so now we have num letters. Rather than saying minus, so width is 80 and then start at halfway minus 6, what we could do is we could say minus num letters divided by 2. So we're going to take the number of letters in the title, divide it by 2, subtract it from the halfway point, and that would be where we would need to start to center hello world. So, and then again we used, you know, the start at value, and let's give that a try. And there we go. Hello world still centered, but now we automatically calculated that. So the only thing we really need for this to work is we need to know what we want to put the title in, and we put the width. Now let's put something a little shorter. I'll put blah and run that. And notice that now it automatically adjusted for the fact that there's less characters in blah, and it still centered it. And so by doing automatic calculations like this, we can, you know, we could even say, turn this into an input. So I'm going to say input, please enter some text to center. And now we'll get whatever the user wants and try that. So I'm going to run this. And let's see, I could say, and here, this is a really long piece of text, center this. And you can see it is in fact automatically centered. And it's just because we're just doing calculations. And we could even write out the pseudocode in here just to kind of make it clear what's happening. get a title from user, calculate number of letters, this display number of letters. Kind of doing this backwards. Normally you write your pseudocode first, but define width of console. Find halfway point on console, which is going to be half. We can't start there though, because we need to find start as halfway point on console minus half of title. That's what that is. Construct string with spaces at start, and then display the results. So that's how that's working. That's the entire pseudocode of the program. So that's how we can use the length function in order to automate some of the calculations we needed to do. Thank you very much.